Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to look how to install AutoGPT for Mac OS. To install AutoGPT, we just need three things to be installed prior. So we need Python, Visual Studio, and Git to be installed for AutoGPT to work on Mac OS. So let's go to Google and search for Python. So if you search for Python, you'll see an exact page like this. So click on download the latest version and click on download Python. So it gets started to download. So I have already installed prior. So you have to install Python 3.11.3, which is the latest version of Python. And after installing Python, you just go to Visual Studio and click on download and click download for Mac OS. So it gets started to download, and I've also installed Visual Studio Prior as well. So you guys need to install Visual Studio, and once this both has got installed, I have to install Git. So go to Homebrew website, so type Homebrew in Google. You can see exact same page as this. So click on the first website on top of it. So if you click this, you can see a page exact same like this. You can see the code here. Just copy the code and open the terminal on Mac and paste the code and run the code. So it asks for password of your Mac. Just type the password and click enter again. It should install the Git on your Mac. So it takes like a couple seconds to get installed. There we go. It has got installed. So let me put this in the side over here. So after installing it, we just need to download the packages of AutoGPT. So let's go and download the packages. So if you click AutoGPT on Google, so if you search for AutoGPT, you can see the same exact page as this. So go to GitHub AutoGPT and click on the link, and you can see the green box over here which says code. Click on the code, copy the code, and come back to terminal and type git space clone and paste the link and press enter. So it should download all the required packages of AutoGPT to run AutoGPT. Now open Visual Studio. We just need to make some changes to the packages for AutoGPT to run. So go to folders over here and open the folder called AutoGPT which we downloaded and click open. So if you can search in here, you can see .env.template. So click on that one and just click control and click on the env.template and rename it. Just remove .template from it. Just rename it as .env and press enter. So in here it asks for your OpenAI API key, and if you scroll down you can see Pinecone. It asks for Pinecone API key and Pinecone environment. And if you scroll a little bit down you can see 11 labs API key. So these are the three API keys we require to run AutoGPT on Mac. So if you go back to browser and if you go to OpenAI, so here you can find API keys for it. So if you click on API key, it usually has to log, but I have already logged in into it. So if you can see here, it says create new secret key. If you click on the create new secret key, you can find something like that. You can name your key, or you can just simply click create secret key. It should generate an API key for you, and copy the key and paste it over here near OpenAI API key equal to, just replace this sentence with your API key. Once you have replaced it, just save it using Command S, and you have to generate Pinecone API key and Pinecone environment. For that, you have to open Pinecone website. This is the website for Pinecone. So if you click on it, it asks for sign up. So I have already signed in. So if you can see over here, it says API key. So you can create an API key or you can use the default key. So copy the key over here and you have to paste it near the Pinecone API key. And for the Pinecone environment, you have to copy paste the region of it. So you can copy the region and you have to paste it for the Pinecone environment and just save it using Command S. And after that, we just need 11 Labs API key. So go to the 11 Labs website. So just click on 11 Labs website and it asks for login again, but I've already logged in. So click on your profile and go to profile. There's your secret API key. You have to copy this API key and paste it over here and save it. Once you have made changes to the packages of the AutoGPT, just come back to your terminal. And now we are going to look at the Python version just to make sure whether we are running the correct Python version. It says Python not found. Just sometimes it shows error. Just try using Python 3 dash dash version. I should give you the exact version of the Python. So we are running on Python 3.11.3. So to use AutoGPT, you must have Python 3.8 or above. So we have Python 3.11, so we are good to go. So we just need to install pip for Python to install AutoGPT and other packages. So just we need to run this code over here. You can find it in the description as well. So run the code here and it just installs the pip for your Mac. It's also just run the version of the pip. Here you can see the pip is not working, so try using pip 3 dash dash version. I guess it should work. So whenever we use Python or pip, we just need to use Python 3 or pip 3 for us to work. We have to change the directory to the AutoGPT, so just type the command cd auto-gpt and press enter. That has taken us to the AutoGPT folder. Now install all the required packages to run AutoGPT. So you have to type pip3 space install requirements.txt. Press enter. It installs all the packages required to run AutoGPT. Now type Python 3 -m space AutoGPT. This should run your AutoGPT. Just wait for like 10 seconds for it to run. There we go. So that's it. We have installed AutoGPT. So you can give whatever the command you need AutoGPT to run for you. So that's it. If you want to know more about what AutoGPT can do, and if you want to know the other AIs which are currently upcoming in the market, just stay tuned and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about all the new AIs that are popping up in the market. So stay tuned. Thank you.